Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.60 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. The velocity associated with proton moving in a potential difference of 1000 volt is 4.37 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. Now, if the hockey ball of mass 0.1 kg is moving with this velocity, calculate the wavelength associated with the velocity. So friends, here the given thing is the mass of the hockey ball, that is 0.1 kg, and they gave the velocity of the proton which is similar to the velocity of that moving ball. So we can write velocity, which is we denote here with the V, is equal to 4.37 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. Now we need to find the wavelength associated with this velocity. So wavelength we need to find, which will denote by lambda. We need to find out now. So according to de Broglie's expression, we knew that lambda means wavelength is equal to h upon mv, where lambda is wavelength, h is a Planck's constant, m is a mass and v is the velocity. So if we have given all the values, if we put the values in this formula, we can easily get the answer. Let's start. So h value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second upon mass is 0.1 kg, which multiplied by velocity, which is 4.37 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. Now what to do? First we will try to eliminate the decimals. So in the numerator side, 3 value after the decimal, 3 digits are given, and here it is 2 here and 1 here. So total 3, we will cancel out 1 from here and 2 from here. So now we will get the value 6626 upon 1 into 437. Multiplied by, now collect the powers together, 10 to the power minus 34 into 10 to the power, now the 5 will go in the numerator side and become minus 5. Now what to do next? First we do the division of 6626 by 437, and this is easy task. We can do the division and we will get the value 15.16 into 10 to the power. Now minus 34 and minus 5 should be added and it become minus 39, and the unit of wavelength is meter. Now if we write in more appropriate way, it will be 1.516. The decimal is shifted one step left side, it means plus 1 power is added. So minus 39 plus 1, it means it become 10 to the power minus 38, and the unit is meter. So in this way we'll able to get the value of lambda. So here it is our answer. Calculation is easy. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.